You know what's an underrated color combo? Pink and gray. You want to see how I got this look? Keep watching and we'll do it together. So I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape. This is the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid and use it as a eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use some powder that's like this color just to set that concealer. So I'm gonna be using the UCANBE Meteors palette. It's such a pretty palette. It has all these like cool tone grays and shimmers and silvers. I'll be using a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with my first shade, which is going to be this gray down here. Tap into it and take off the excess. I'm just gonna start going all over the top of my eye with that. And I'm just using back and forth motions, very light pressure. That's how you're gonna get that seamless looking blend. Also go in circular motions as well. I like to go in between the two, so back and forth and circular. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until you build up to your desired shade. So I'm just trying to match these two eyes right now. So once you're happy with the color that you have, we're gonna go in with our second color. I'm using another fluffy brush. This one's a little smaller. I'm going in with this dark gray color right here, right at the edge, at the corner of like where my crease is. I'm just gonna stamp it there first, and then I'm gonna blend that. So I'm going outwards, and I'm going into my crease. So yeah, you just want to keep building that up to your liking and get it to match your other eye. I'll put a little bit more darkness into my crease. I'm gonna take that first brush and just blend out the harshness right here. Now I'm going to go in with some of my concealer to do a cut crease. You want a flat brush like that, and then you just follow your eye's natural shape where the crease is. And just stamp that concealer in. And I'm gonna go right to about like the middle of my eye right here. Then I'm gonna go in with this white color here, and I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush, stamp in that white. I'm bringing it right here, just leaving that inner corner where we're going to put the pink. And we're just patting that. You're gonna take the darker gray and just blend those two. We're going to do the pink inner corner, and I'm just using the Morphe Aurascape palette. So I'm gonna be using another flat brush, and I'm going in with this pink color right here. And I'm gonna go in with this glitter that I got from Amazon. Then I'm gonna go in with some black liner. I'm gonna put a full lash on. I just put a half lash on this eye. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. And I like to kind of stick my lashes up, like on where I put my wing, because it just gives me that like lifted cat eye effect. I just want to add a little more pink to the inner corners. And that's basically the eye look. literally took us 10 minutes. Added a little bit of highlight underneath my brow bone, like a silvery shimmer color. So we're gonna get into this base, and I want full coverage today, so I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix foundation. Wow, I'm making such a mess today. Oh, I probably need primer, right? I mean, sometimes I skip primer, so we're just gonna skip primer today, and I'm gonna go in with my foundation, warm it up on the back of my hand, and I haven't used this MAC foundation in so long, but it's a really good foundation. I would say that it's definitely worth trying it out. I put a little bit on and look at my skin already. Like, you don't need a lot, you can build it up, and the coverage is crazy. I didn't pay full price for it because one thing about me, y'all already know, baddie on a budget, I'm gonna find me a coupon or I'm gonna get it on sale. So this is already what we're looking like with one layer. If you want more coverage, you can go in with another layer, but I think this looks pretty good. Go in with the Juvia's Place. I forgot what this is called, but it's like a booster, radiance booster. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna take maybe like a couple dots. Just to give like a little glowiness to the skin. Yeah, that looks so pretty. And I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Wear Even concealer. You guys know I love this concealer. And we're doing full glam today, so I'm gonna go a little heavy-handed. Just I'm gonna let that stay a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my contour, the Fenty Matchstix. So I'm just gonna blend out this contour. I always feel like I don't know what to say during these videos. I'm still in like my awkward phase where I just want to deliver the information, and it's just weird because I'm not talking to anyone physically, you know. I'm such a yapper in real life, so it's just funny that like I get on here and I like completely don't know what to say. Like, I forget every interesting thing ever. Like, let me know if you guys want, like, I can do like one of those like get ready with me, like get to know me videos, and like, you know, say some like facts about me or some stuff about me. This is the Morphe M132 concealer brush. This is my other favorite concealer brush if I'm not using the e.l.f. one. You guys want to see like more creative eye looks, because if you do follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know, like that's like one of my favorite styles is to do like creative eye look. I know those looks are like intimidating and not everybody likes those looks. I mean, it's nice to see them and like nice to look at them, but I know everybody doesn't care to like learn how to do those. But if you do want to see more like creative type eye looks, let me know, because I definitely want to start doing some of those and just kind of like showing people that I know they do look like intimidating sometimes, but they really aren't. I think it's like with everything, like once you get the basics down and the techniques, it's really not that hard to do. Go in with just a layer of the MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Spray, just to get everything melted in. So for blush, I'm gonna use the SHEGLAM, what is this called? Color Bloom Liquid Blush. I think this was like maybe $5 or $6, But like, don't sleep on SHEGLAM. I mean, I know how people feel about Shein and stuff, but I did order some of their stuff, and the color is so pretty. Like, it's such a pretty baby cool tone pink. So with this blush today, I'm going in the center of my cheeks, and I want to bring it all the way up like that. I want a very like blush heavy look today to match the eye. We're doing the most today for sure. Am I gonna do brightening concealer? Of course I am. For brightening concealer, I am using the Pro Fix stick. I'm just doing the inner corner. This needs to be a little brighter. Blend out that blush. And I'm really just patting it into place and then going up towards my temple. Like, look how pretty that is. To set my under eye, I'm going to use this Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in honey. It just like blurs everything out under there. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face too. Well, all the spots that I want to be bright. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Blurfection Brightens and Corrects. I just feel like a pretty soft pink that I thought would look really pretty with the blush. In with some powder blush at the Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go in with this light pink color. Juvia's Place Bronzed palette. Using the darker shade. Dust off that pink powder. Morphe Cheek Thrills face trio, and it has like this shimmery highlighter color in. I'm gonna use a little bit of that. Oh, that was a lot. I'm just gonna put it here just to bring some like shimmer and glowiness back to the face. But look how pretty. I'm gonna finish off with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. Bring my inner corners out a little bit. Do some bottom mascara. And I'm just gonna put a little bit like in the corner right here. It's so pretty. Move on to our lip combo, and I'm gonna use the Morphe Soulmatte Incompatible. No brown liner today. Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Silk. Y'all knew it was gonna be a pink gloss, right? I feel like I might want it like a little brighter than that. Maybe I'll add some butter gloss to it. This is the Butter Gloss in Peaches and Cream. I think I want like a little more pink. Oh yeah, okay. And this is the final look, guys. I am obsessed with how this came out. I love it. Anything pink, I'm obsessed with already, but like, I think we did our big one with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Send me some love down in the comments, some recommendations, any videos you want to see. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys next video.